so big. Yan siya. It's a place, guys. So, it's a place. You can see. It's this one. So, guys, this is the bed. So, guys, this is my yukata and the view is outside. The paki. So guys, see you later. It's the bed. Bye. So guys, this is the place. We're in Hakone Tenji. This is the room. And guys, so big. You can see what it is. This is the public bathroom. We're in Hakone. Yes, guys, flex ko lang. This is the elevator. So, see you later. And this is my onsen bed. It's the place, guys. Yan siya. So, I go to spa na. See you later. We're in Hakone. It's 7th floor. Ayan, nakikita niyo. So, guys, I'm go to spa na. Bye! Guys, yan yung labas niya. This is the Hakone at the night. Ayan, guys. Super nice. The bamboo tree. Ayan, tutur ka kayo. And then may pato dyan. Ayan yung pato. At night in Hakone, guys. Para lang siyang Kamakura. Hindi na nakapag-video ng food kanina dahil na nagloloko na naman ang cellphone ko. Yan, guys, oh. Nice place. You can see the bamboo tree. Ayan yung hotel sa loob. Ayan, kumakain sila. Guys, hope you enjoy my vlog. The view. Nice. You can see, guys, oh. At night in Hakone. Makikita niyo yan pag nag-hot spring kayo. Yun nga lang, we cannot enter the camera in hot spring. Bawal dito kasi public bath. Yan, guys. Hope you enjoy. I go to hot spring na. I-flex ko lang. The view in Hakone hot spring. Grabe. Hope you enjoy, guys. May pool doon, eh. Hope you enjoy. See you again. Ayoko na umakyat sa taas. Flex, flex. Bye. We go inside na. Guys, we're going to eat na. This is the place. This is the restaurant. So, we eat na, guys. Later. Yan. Marami silang food. Ang ganda ng painting dito. Grabe. It's a 500,000 yung mga painting. Ayan. Ngayon sila binibenta sa baba. Sa convention hall, guys. Yan. Yan. Maraming food. Tingnan niyo yung mga painting nila. Ang gaganda. Grabe. Painting, guys. And see, ayan. Dami-daming food. Yung labas. Tingnan niyo ito rin. Oh. So many food, guys. Aesthetic. Ang ganda ng painting. So guys, I'm going to eat na. Elevator. Bye! Guys, eating na. Hindi nakapag-vlog kagabi, no budget. Yes, Japanese food. Chef. I'm a chef in Japan. Check out na later. Check out. The nature in Japan. So, bye guys. See you later. Hello gahiro ya. Dak gahiro dak. Arararara dokoy ko na. Dokoy ko na. Laki ga suki da. Kita ya laki wari na. Dokoy ko na. Ara kawai. Laki no ushirin. Dokoy ko na. Minna. Dokoy ko na. Ararara, nodo kaita da ne. Ararara. Ippai yo. Kawai ne, nodo kaita tte.
Welcome Star Travel Blog. Like and share comments.